Good morning. This is our presentation about EB application in case of China Mobile Hong Kong, and this is our group member. Our program analyzed the case of China Mobile Hong Kong Company Limited. As the development of e-commerce, more and more people focus on the trade of it. And in the traditional e-commerce, providers are leading a brand plus operating business model. From this situation, we conclude that the main business model of CMHK is B2B and B2C. In B2B model, we give the example of Apple mobile phone. And in B2C model, we know that the main business is communication service. So CMHK set the website to serve users. This portal contains meta service. CMHK pages mainly consist of 6 functions as pictures show. And e-tailers of CMHK is online version of traditional retailers. As the large number of the CMHK users, we advise that the business model of CMHK can transfer into M-commerce. And the M-commerce have the broader market processors. We believe that mobile e-commerce has the following characteristics. First, it becomes more open and convenient. And second, it has large-scale potential users. Third, it can better convert the user's identity. And the fourth is it can provide customer service. The development in the mobile e-commerce will help to open up the market of CMHK. The e-commerce model of CMHK will increase, such as C2C, C2B, and B2G.
And then we show the e-commerce technology, and that it includes the WAP technology and GPRS technology. And then this the application about the technology, fashion application, and E100 personal internet suite, and Mobile 139 mailbox. And the competitive advantage and development of the obstacles. And as more and more people use mobile phone in daily life, and the function of phone become variety, so there is a big potential market. In our group opinion, CMHK should gradually towards the direction of the development of M-commerce. That is to transform itself into an agency in order to set the bridge for users to communication and even trade. And now we think that there can be developed in 4 aspects. The first one is mobile wallet, and users can use it as wallets for shopping and transfer money. And the second one is micropayment. It is a convenient way for customers to buy groups and deal with trade. And the third one is conference call. This type of meeting greatly improves the operational efficiency for enterprises and reduce operational costs. And the fourth one is the wireless. According to this service, users can surf the internet in wherever and whenever. And then we show the EB model application in B2G model and C2C model. And these are the 6 steps to make the web page. And there are 3 pictures to show the products. The first one is generate structure of website, and the second one is user interface, and the last one is backstage management. Thank you for listening.